Now we have a question which says calculate the interest earned and the amount due if a sum of rupees 15,000 is invested for 1.5 years at 8% per annum compound interest, and the interest being compounded semi-annually. So semi-annually means half yearly, right? So if the interest is compounded half yearly, what is the rate of interest for 1/2 year? That is equal to interest for half year is equal to how many conversion periods are there if the interest is compounded half yearly? 2. So it gives rate of interest per annum, that is 8, upon the number of conversion periods, that is 2, which comes out to be 4%. So this is the rate of interest per half year. Then we have total number of conversion periods, which was equal to number of conversion periods in 1 year into the total number of years. So the number of conversion periods in 1 year, if the interest is compounded half yearly, are equal to 2. So we have the total number of years is 1.5. So 2 into 1.5 is equal to 3. So here R is equal to 4 and N is equal to 3. So we have P equal to 15,000, R equal to 4%, and we have N equal to 3. So now we keep all these three things in the formula. A equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to power N. So this gives out 15,000 into 1 plus 4 by 100 raised to power 3. So what we have here is 15,000 into 26 by 25 into 26 by 25 into 26 by 25. Now this value comes out to be equal to rupees 16872.96. Now this is the total amount we have. So the total amount is equal to rupees 16,872.96. So this is the total amount, and we also have to calculate the interest earned. So the compound interest is equal to the amount minus the principal, which is equal to 16872 minus what is the principal, that is 15,000. So we have this value equal to rupees 1872.96. So this is the interest earned and this is the total amount.